The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy.
Oh, I'm so bored. Isn't there anything fun I can do?
The shepherd boy came up with an idea, and he ran into town yelling,
Ow! Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!
Where's the wolf?
The village people all came out with sticks and clubs.
What? A wolf? There's a wolf? There's a wolf? Yeah. Find that wolf.
I just made that up. I can't believe I tricked you all.
The village people became furious and they left.
Something like that.
The boy had so much fun playing the wolf trick again. A few days later, the boy played the wolf trick again.
Ow! Wolf! There's a huge wolf!
The people came out running with their sticks and clubs again.
I tricked you again!
You evil boy. We're never going to fall for this trick again.
The people were even more furious this time when they left.
Oh, come on. Let's go.
Then, one day, a big and scary wolf really did appear.
Help! Please! Someone help! There's a wolf! Really! There's a wolf!
Huh. There he goes again. Does he think we're going to fall for that trick again? That's absurd.
Hearing his cries, the village people didn't move an inch. But it was at that time that the wolf of all